Friends, welcome back. Though the lockdown is unlocked, then also outside pandemic situation is not improving. Day by day it is becoming worse. So it is my earnest request to each and everyone. Please stay home and be safe. Please maintain social distancing. Always wear mask, use sanitizers and wash your hands again and again. Please take your care and your family members. So in this video we are going to see a new poem. That poem's name is Try Again. This poem is written by a famous and well-known British author, British poet W.H. Hickson. He wrote many wonderful poems. His poems are really inspirational ones. So today's also poem comes in that category. It is about the importance of optimism, courage, hope in one's success. The poem deals with the complexities of human behavior and importance of optimism and never giving up attitude. So friends, let us enjoy this video with help of colorful images and slides. At the end of video, I introduce some activities. Please do that activities and enjoy the video.
William Edward Hickson, commonly known as Richmond Hobson. He was a British educational writer. He wrote many wonderful poems. He was the author of Time and Faith.
The poem Try Again. It's a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer. Never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, it's no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why, with patience may not you. Only keep this rule in view. Try again.
Try again is a message that cannot be ignored. We must always pay attention to this message. If, due to unfavorable situation, we fail in our first effort, we should not be discouraged. Instead, we should make better efforts to reach our goal.
We may fail in our attempts 1, 2 or many times, but if we keep on struggling, we will finally win. What we need to do is to keep on working and not to get disappointed and be firm in efforts. It is not a matter of shame to work and work. Though we have failed in our efforts, we should not feel discouraged. What we need to do in such situation is to try again.
If you feel that you have failed in your task in one effort, make another one with considerable force. A time will come when you will enjoy the fruit of your hard work. What you need to do is to keep on working. You must know that all people can achieve their goals. You can also get to yours. What you need is to be firm and constant in making efforts. The only thing you must keep in mind is that you should never get disappointed. You just need to continue working till you succeed.